please. Skies are blue, weather is nice. See, it's a beautiful, beautiful weather in Ficksburg. Winter's weather, but it's nice and sunny. Guys, today we're deciding to cook some lovely prawn curry and rice. So without further ado, start to marinate the prawns and start preparing the meal. Lovely prawns are defrosting here. Beautiful. A little bit more prawns. More the better. And folks, we got my brother visiting here. Say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Okay folks, these are my ingredients for the prawn curry. We got the onions, we got curry leaf, we got chilies, we got star anise, cinnamon sticks, tomato that are puried, and I'm using Kashmiri spice, some chili powder, some dhania powder, salt, mustard seed. Yeah, and then the rice is almost done, and then we're gonna fry the prawns and cook the curry. As you can see, my prawns are frying nicely. Just for 2 minutes on each side. Once it's done, I'll take it out and set it aside. Okay. Okay, we'll just turn the prawns. See, frying nicely. Smells divine. There's the other batch I set aside here. We'll put it in the curry. Okay, we'll get back to you when we bring the curry. Okay, my prawns are done. The prawns are done now. So I set it aside. I use the same oil, transferred it to a nice pot. It's not the oil, it's the ghee with all the nice sauces inside there, flavors are in there. So we're gonna get that hot now and braise. Put in the onions. And some curry leaves, more curry leaves. Okay, we'll get that to you once that's brown and we fry it up. Add the curry powder. Some salt maybe.
Fine salt.
Rough salt.
Put some sugar.
So guys, let's close the lid. And we're going to let the chutney cook. As you can see, the prawn sauce, prawn chutney is cooking very nicely. Just waiting for it to get, for the tomato to cook out, and then I'll add the, okay, the chutney is almost, and then it simmer for maybe 5-10 minutes. Can I get the coriander? Okay guys, there you have it. Prawn curry is ready and we're gonna dish out now.